Hello. Well, this is our first day in Rome. We got in last night, Tuesday night. This is Wednesday. Today we don't have any formal tours scheduled, so we are going to go out into Rome's city center and see the Pantheon, the fountains, the squares, St. Mary's Church, a few of the things that aren't on the two tours tomorrow. Okay. So we'll see you soon with some more video. All that went around.
Guys, this is the house of the president. So, long wall.
So the prime minister,
right, guys?
She's in charge, right?
Alone in Georgia.
The Roman wall that went around Rome that protected Rome from its enemies.
We are roaming around España, guys. Oh, not España, Rome, Italy. See? These are very nice old buildings built years, 1,000 years ago.
Rome.
Rome. Walking around Rome. Guys, we are going to the Sant'Angelo's castle. Sant'Angelo's castle or palace. This is the entrance. Oh. We already reached the castle, Sant'Angelo's castle, and we are now on the very top of the castle, Sant'Angelo's castle.
You know, the archaeological area, and they are, you know, doing the strangest.
why I'm rushing you on the heels is because you have to be at an appointment.
There's the Colosseum.
No.
It's not photo, okay? We are here in museum, guys. Guys, we are running around the Colosseum.
Reproduction et un réplication. Ici, vous avez un premier.
We are here underneath the
Le
Colosseum,
se
guys.
protège avec un grand
Where the
bouclier
gladiator
rectangulaire. Big
used to
Brutal
fight
Shield.
over here. Guys, you will see this inside the museum. Where all the gladiators used to walk over here long time ago.
You can take photos, of course.
This one built so many years ago, and it's still preserved. Not totally preserved because it's well, it's supposed to be on that area. Everything's supposed to be surrounded by marble, but it's gone, and they cannot find it.
That the position. Oh, the clock. Meditation on the source and another you see the vault on the source. But in ancient times, you had the simply kind of bridal steps. Oh, that is the highest preserved everywhere. Okay, the people that died left the door on the other side. There was dedicated to Euphemia. There was the guy who served at the funeral, the one that won on the other side. So they had the gate of village and the gate of I told them, the point of the game was to see who was the stronger. There were different kinds of variety of gladiators, so they had different names.